Hello, I'm Ryan Hill, and this is my EDL 850 educational law intro video. I've been teaching for 11 years. This is my 8th year here at Rose Hill High School, in which I teach industrial technology, drafting, and woodshop type courses. I also act as a CTE coordinator in certain realms, take care of Perkins funding and make sure career pathways are completed in the district. I'm also an assistant football coach, offense coordinator, baseball assistant as well, TSA advisor, Technology Student Association advisor. I'm also serve as a state board member on that as well. And also, we do best robotics at Rose Hill High School. So the school year is always a busy time. Uh, the school year is not only busy for me, but it's also busy for my wife as well, who teaches fourth grade and is involved with activities like Girls on the Run. Uh, and if those two things don't keep us busy enough, we have four children. Daughter Peyton, who's 13, sons Trayton, who's 11, Isaac 8, and Lynn 6. And they're involved in many different activities. So we're usually running around and chasing them down, taking them to practice and events and activities. So it keeps us moving. Needless to say. Enough about me and a little bit more about what this first assignment's about. So let's talk a little bit about the critical reflection aspect. When looking at how our school demonstrates and our administrators demonstrate the knowledge of federal laws and school laws as well as school board policy, they really show that by assuring that we all pass our required testing yearly on bloodborne pathogens, bullying and suicide prevention, sexual harassment, and safe work practices. They also make sure that all teachers are properly licensed. Uh, we make sure that we conduct IEPs and 504s properly, and that they are an equal opportunity provider. Looking at the critique aspect and really testing my own personal knowledge on federal and state school laws as well as school board policies pertaining to safe learning environment where all students are encouraged to learn. Uh, my knowledge probably doesn't extend much further than what my administrators in the past have, really demonstrated. That's IEPs, 504s, discriminatory acts, but I probably know a little bit more about the career and technical education, like libel laws and those aspects through the union and those things a little bit more in depth. But that's primarily why we're here is to get to know a little bit more about it. So with that being said, we're going to look at the next topic. The next topic being the plan that I propose will help me improve and enhance my knowledge, current knowledge of school law and board policies. And primarily that's through learning from this course, learning through the text, through our fellow classmates, fellow employees, and my current administration, learning all those. I understand that my limited knowledge of educational laws, so my best plan is to be open to learning as much as I can. Well, thank you for watching my intro video, and I really look forward to learning from each one of you in this class. Thanks. Bye.